Hello, and welcome to my extremely brief production sound mixing tutorial. In my opinion, the two most important factors in production sound mixing are 1. Properly setting the gain on your microphones and wireless systems. I'm not going to go into detail here because there's a million different videos on YouTube on how to operate specific gear, but the point is, you want to make sure that your signal is not too quiet and not too loud. And number 2, proper boom mic placement. Generally, you're going to want to place the boom mic up above the subject's head, out in front, and pointing at their mouth at a slight angle. You're going to want to get as close as you can to the subject while still staying out of the frame. You also want to be sure that you don't cast any shadows with the boom that are going to be seen within the frame, and that you're not picked up in any reflections. There's definitely a lot more to learn about production sound mixing, and it can take a while to become proficient, but in my opinion, these are the two most important factors. Thanks for watching.